Hey, fancy seeing you here. I hope you are strapped in, baby, because today we have a day in the life, an exhilarating day in the life of a full-blown wannabe. That's me. To make a long story short, people ask me, what are you doing after graduation? I'm doing it. This is what I want to do. So I want to be a full-time content creator. I do a lot of different things, so it's not just like a full-time YouTuber. I do a lot on TikTok and Instagram that generates revenue, which is kind of a new concept, obviously. And then I do a little on YouTube that generates me some money, and then I do some affiliate links, and then I do some graphic design on the side, and then I do my small business phrase where we custom make crazy sunglasses. I have a lot of revenue streams that make up an income for me. So that's my dream, to be sustained full-time, being a creator on my own schedule. Hopefully you'll hop in on the ground floor with me here.
You better invest in stonks.
I've had some homies that have been around for a few years. Love you guys. If you're just now seeing me, hop on in, why don't you? Why don't you see if a normal girl from the cornfields of Illinois can make it? Wouldn't that be fun if I could? I think it would. It's 10 o'clock, and that is because I have issues and I don't ever wake up early, but that's because I stay up late. But that's okay, baby. Actually, it's 10:30 now because I just did my morning routine, and now I'm gonna make my bed. It's pretty important for me to have my area looking clean, or I can't like film, I can't do anything off the cuff because the background looks crazy. I don't know, I just try to keep it together, but it's like kind of messy right now. It's actually gotten out of hand since the last time I cleaned it. I don't know, let's kind of make the bed, at least start there.
So long silent movies, the quiet dances on the screen.
Boom. So I still have quite a bit of mess. A, you can't see the floor, but A, B, Exhibit C, and Exhibit D is pretty much this entire general area, but that's okay, we'll get that later. We're gonna go on another exciting step in my journey, which I haven't talked about a lot, and that is my small business phrase. So phrase originated in 2017. I'm going into my storage room right now, which is also my office, and it was started by me and my friend Liz, who made a pair of sunglasses to wear to our bid day. And then a girl said to us I would literally pay you for those, so hold the phone. Somebody I do not recognize. Oh, two people I don't recognize are in the driveway.
Intruder alert.
It's my brother's friends, we're good. Okay, so anyway, a person told me and my friend Liz that they pay for glasses like ours, and we were like, say literally less. So she paid for them and started as a fundraiser, and then next thing we know, we have a full-blown business. We're registered with the Greek organizations, we make glasses for sororities bid days, we make glasses for individuals. Here we freaking are. So today I have an order. I believe it's 5 pairs that needs to go out today. So usually like at the top of my game, it would take me like an hour to make 5 pairs, but I'm not as nimble as I was in my prime. So it might take me a little bit longer. These are for a great customer of ours. She gets glasses super often, especially for their vacations. So this is for a vacation, and I'm gonna make 5 pairs and get back to you guys and show you the final product, and then we will get those babies shipped, and then we'll get on to the next portion of our program. Okay, so I have all my ingredients out. Boop. And now I'm gonna watch Kelly Stamps. I don't know about you guys, but I'm obsessed with her. I'm gonna watch a couple of her videos that I have not seen and get it poppin'. Hopefully this takes me about an hour. Okay, they're done, and turns out my little fingers are a little bit more nimble than I thought, because that took me like 30 minutes. So it's 11 now. Isn't that incredible? Okay, so let me show you them. They're for a customer's trip to Vail. There they are. Boop. I need to package these babies up, but I have a bad feeling that I don't have a bag big enough for them. I don't really want to have to go to the store, so I'm really giving everything a hard look in here. I'm gonna have to go to the store. Dollar General haul. Hoping that 5 pairs of glasses can fit in one of these bubble mailers, because if it can't, I'm gonna have to use a box, which is a lot more work than I'm willing to do right now. I got some bubble wrap, some extra duct tape because I am running low, and that is something I use very often. And then last but not least, I got myself, I got my dog some dog treats. He eats these kebabs every morning, and he's so excited for his kebab, and I didn't have them for like the last 5 days. I haven't had a kebab for him, so now I have 10 kebabs for him. So he's gonna love that. I'm gonna go get myself a coffee at Dunkin' later. I like to get myself coffee on days that I like want to get a bunch of work done, because it motivates me to get out of bed. And honestly, I'm sure a lot of you guys feel that way, because I know a lot of my friends feel that way. God, that was the loudest sound I've ever heard. Yeah, when I don't want to do anything and I want to be lazy, I'm like, if you go get coffee right now, that'll help, and then I'm out of bed. And caffeinated. And also, it's not chilly outside. It's like 81, but I'm wearing a sweatshirt because I did not feel like putting a brassiere on. And I live by that. A little thank you note. There's people around me, but I'm really trying to remind myself that it doesn't matter and keep my main character energy about myself. Or at least find some main character energy. So guess what I'm ready to do now? Go to the post office. And with that being said, support your local post office. Period. The United States postal workers are literal heroes.
Reporting live from the post office.
Someone looked at me and I got scared immediately. So I don't know what to do now.
Hanging out everything.
Oh my god, and then my music, oh my gosh. Okay, hand sanitizer smells, I don't know, traumatizing to me now. We use Wix for the Phrase website. If I could go back, I would use Shopify. I can't go back and we already have Wix. So I just have to go through the Wix app and put in her tracking code. That order is fulfilled. I struggle with vlogging at home. I've started like 14 vlogs here and just scrapped all of them. Like, I don't know, I just feel weird. I feel like, who cares? People cared when I was at Ole Miss, but like now I'm just, what am I? The other day, I'm like, well, what I am is a full-time, a wannabe. You know, I'm just straight up at my parents' house in a pandemic post-grad being a wannabe. So if you followed me when I was in school, I lived in Oxford, Mississippi, I went to Ole Miss, yada yada, whatever.
Girl, we know.
I would always talk about getting Starbucks. There's a few Starbucks near me, but there's a Dunkin' even closer than the Starbucks. So I have kind of rekindled my love for Dunkin'. It is so good. Like, I can't even tell you how cold this is. Like, this, I'm not kidding. God, it's like drinking a water. Not like because it doesn't have flavor, but because it's so cold. Anyway, I get a large iced coffee with caramel and almond milk. So freaking good, and I love that it's literally 32 ounces. Do I have heart palpitations? For sure, yeah. Of course. Does it make me have to run to the bathroom? 100%. Do I love it? Always. And then I forgot that Dunkin' has the Beyond Sausage breakfast sandwiches because I don't eat meat, and I get it without egg because it grosses me out too. It's absolutely delightful. The flavor is scrumptious. Every once in a while I like to get it, and it just reminds me because I haven't had like a breakfast sandwich like that in so freaking long. Oh my god, it hits. It literally is so fucking good. So I'm very excited right now. I wasn't gonna get anything to eat. I was gonna do that thing where I don't eat until like 4 o'clock and I'm really shaky and weak and want to throw up. In a perfect world, I would film 7 TikToks so that I can have one for every day this week. Also, in this perfect world, I will edit this video, plan a future video. Also, in that perfect world, I would prepare posts for Instagram and Like to Know It to go along with those TikToks. Also plan a future video. Oh, and film. I need to film a haul. I forgot I went thrifting the other day. Yeah, so it's a lot of steps. Monetizing your passion is really weird, but I also am very motivated by money. Like, I don't want to be. I really don't want to be. I wish I could be like, I don't care about money. But I'm very motivated by money, and it's very important to me to have my own money. So my like basic model is that I make money from YouTube AdSense, sponsorships on Instagram and YouTube, and then affiliate links. So when I do TikToks, I will link in the bio all the clothes that are shown in that TikTok or the product that I mentioned through an affiliate link. And then that affiliate link makes me money when someone buys it. So when my TikToks blow up, I in turn make more money. It's kind of weird, but a lot of people don't know that. TikTok doesn't have a way of compensating creators right now. I'm not really sure that there ever will be one, aside from sponsorships, because there's not ads on TikTok as much as there is ads on other platforms. I think that creators are gonna have to take the monetization into their own hands with affiliate links and sponsorships, so. Or linking them to something else that does provide them with revenue. TikTok is really important for me for growing on Instagram as well. When I'm consistently posting TikToks, I'm consistently gaining like 100 to 150 followers a day on Instagram, so that's great. That was my entire secret right there that I just told the internet while sitting here with no makeup on in the car. If you're watching this, congrats. You know a lot about me now. It's really an interesting thing to me. I really love social media marketing. I always have. I never thought that I would do social media marketing like for myself, but it's really interesting. It's really cool to me. I love to talk about it. I love to tell other people how they can do it themselves. It's a really lucrative situation if you know how to work it right. So, and of course if you're willing to put yourself on the internet, which is kind of scary, but I don't care anymore. I've literally lost all that fear. So now here I am, and it's a little bit past noon, probably 12:30 now, and I'm finally getting started on the YouTuber, content creator side of my day. That is my favorite thing because the way that my body's set up, the way my internal clock is set up, I love to stay up late, and I like to work, or get to work and start my day later. And you know who I just heard come to my door? My dog. So he's gonna come join us. Hugo! Come on in, bud. So here's my puppy. gonna probably try to eat whatever's in my... No, don't. Please don't. Say hi. No, don't sit on my laptop. So, he's kind of crazy. He just got a haircut, so he looks a little funny. Hi, honey. So the thing about Hugo is that he is a trash can doggo. My neighbors found him in a bucket, and I don't know what kind of dog he is because he was 2 days old and abandoned with all of his siblings. They're so sad. He's my little munchkin though. I love him so much. He's gonna try and eat this though. I'll catch you guys on the flip. I gotta eat this before he does. Okay, so I just planned out all my TikToks for the day, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I have 6. Well, maybe I'll come up with another one along the way. Oh wait, here. Yeah, I will. Actually, copy and paste. So here they are. I just wrote them in my notes because that's what I freaking always do. So I have this giant mess on the floor that I need to clean up in a second. But first of all, does anyone else's, complete side note, does anyone else's dog do this?
He is licking my comforter.
Yeah, he licks my comforter. Or he just licks whatever he's on to go to sleep. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, don't worry. One of the most fun parts of my job over the last, well, always, but especially during quarantine and stuff, has been receiving PR packages. First of all, I'm just so flattered every time a company wants to send me anything, especially because like I'm not like a beauty guru. I mean, I try to show my own little tips and tricks here, but I don't like do makeup videos or I don't know. So I'm just always so flattered, and it's so exciting as well. The freaking serotonin that I get when I see a delivery person, oh my god, it's through the roof. So I wanted to show you guys this box and also this little mailer, not branded, so you might be a little bit thrown off at first, but it's from Armani, like Giorgio Armani Beauty. This stuff looks amazing. It looks right up my freaking alley. Like all of the products are like liquid or cream mainly, which I love. If you watch me on TikTok, that's like something that I always talk about, or like show or different like liquid and cream products that I love. Like I cannot wait to try this out. And then I love like the look of that, especially because I have dry skin. And then this package right here is from Becca, and it's all of their new colors of their Hydra Plumping Lip Balm. So they're all like lip balms, but they're tinted but not too aggressive, and they're plumping. So I'm really excited to try all of these babies out today. I just want to say a big thank you to any company who ever emails me and or wants to say me anything, because it is just so exciting and just unreal, and I love it. It's one of the most fun parts of all of this, is getting to try new things and yeah, I don't know, be kind of recognized by companies because it makes you feel legitimate. And I'll show you guys my look after this, and if it looks good, maybe I'll make like a separate video about some of these things. Okay everyone, so I just filmed a TikTok. I'm like a little before and after of getting ready, and my hair's a little messed up now, but I really like the Armani the foundation that I used. The foundation slapped. Love it. Super light. Like literally look. Do y'all see any crusties? I'm the queen of looking crusty, but that just looks like skin. The highlight. Love the highlight. Love the brush. Love the brush. The blush, honestly I like it all. I mean the eyeshadows, I used both of the cream eyeshadows in my inner corner and lid, but then I did put Steal a Kitten in my innermost corner. And then I didn't really care too much about the eyeshadows. The mascara, slap. I love the mascara. It was really like thin and light and lengthening. Pretty much it. I just feel like this is like my like optimal natural glow. The blush was nice. I didn't really use a lot of it. I used a little bit, and then I ended up going over it with my Paracone No Makeup blush. I will have to use a lot of the Armani one, a lot more of that one than you have to use of the Paracone one, but it's a different color, and it's a pretty color as well. So I think I'll try next time I do my makeup just using all of this and not using the Paracone as well, and just like layering a lot on. Now that I filmed a TikTok, I'm going to figure out what I need to film next. Plan it out, let's see. Okay, I need to do my thrift haul. Oh, hi. Sorry. To film my TikToks, I use my vlog camera, which is what I'm on right now, which is super weird, but I love the auto, like the lighting that it does. I feel like the color correction is really good on it. About there. Lovely. And then I usually stand like right here, and then you can see, is it gonna brighten up for me? See? Look how bright it is. And the lighting's good. And I feel like TikTok is like mainly lighting, so I try to make sure my videos have good lighting, and that's like the most important thing. I guess I'm gonna get ready for the thrift haul now. Turn on this lamp just for the vibes. Y'all see that? There we go. This is pretty much where I like to film them. Does it look like lopsided, or am I? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off now and film it. So I just filmed 3 TikToks, and it took me like an hour / an hour and a half, I think, of footage. So now I'm gonna edit it all on my computer, actually, because it's just faster for me that way than my iPad sometimes. I don't know, it just depends on how much footage. Like if it's a quick video, I'll edit it on my iPad, but these are like pretty big chunks of footage, so I'm gonna do them on my computer or my laptop. And then once I get done editing them, I'm gonna wipe the footage from my card so I have room to do more. So I uploaded 2 out of the 3 TikToks that I filmed today because I don't know how to stop myself. And then I haven't filmed my other ones because it's literally 6 o'clock and it took me all that time to edit and film just the other 2. So that's great. I'm going to film my YouTube version of the thrift haul now. Luckily, since I have all those clips from making a TikTok of it, I can like use those clips as the try-on portion of the haul. Super lit because filming the try-on is what takes so freaking long. I'm probably just gonna set the camera like right in front of my bed and use this as my backdrop. Also, I'd like to let it be known that I've had that Beyond sausage sandwich and a cheese stick. So, and coffee. Starting to get hungry, but I think we're gonna get pizza, so yes! Okay, so I just filmed my little haul for the thrift video, and I'm gonna hopefully try to like put that all together now, and hopefully I can have it ready to go tomorrow. The whole like thrifting slash vlog before it, which isn't very big, but yay. I'm literally so tired, I'm telling you guys. It is 1:18 in the morning. I have been non-stop editing this video, and it wouldn't be that bad, but I use iMovie and I like do a bunch of little tips and tricks here to like scam cool edits, and I've been really trying to make this a cool video, and I've been trying to find the right music and really give it a vibe. On top of that, my iMovie keeps crashing, so that's great. Oh my god, for real. It's like every time I try to do anything, it's like not enough disk space, idiot, and I'm like, I literally don't know what to do. Like, I don't know what to delete. I'm really in the zone right now and I just want to keep going. I'm getting close to being done with... that's a full-blown lie. I would love to have it ready tomorrow, but it might be ready by Tuesday. Let me show you guys this little section I'm working on. Oh, tomorrow's Tuesday. I mean Wednesday. I mean, today's technically Tuesday. Anyway, I like hand drew this little frame and now listen to it with the music. It's really quite a vibe. Pretty cool, right? Y'all want to hear something absolutely bizarre? 3:45 in the morning, and I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 versions of a thumbnail for this video. And I really do like love doing this. I wouldn't be up at 4 in the morning if I didn't, so. Please go watch my thrifting slash doing stuff video because I worked on it all day today. I'm gonna call the vlog here. I'm gonna call it. Catch you in the next time of a day in the life of a wannabe full-time creator, where I will talk about making probably some Instagram content since I did not get to that today. Okay, love you guys. Bye.